told stop one student and he is asking that I have to take admission to in this college or not, it's engineering or not. So what student will do? What student will say that you don't have to take admission. Why? Because the engineering student they are already facing the fourth year. What type of problem they are facing, right? So at place of that thing, he will say that don't take admission. Still is having confusion, right? Regarding that saying don't take admission, still is having confusion. Why? Because he is not getting clarity. He is not getting clarity. So what they will do? Again he will consult the other person. One means what he is doing is concerning to other person means is collecting a data or is getting a data asking from the too many people. Like I will get this clear, I will get information this clear means I will get 100%. I want to take admission here. I am having interest in medical. I want to take admission in there, or I have to take admission in PhD. Still his confusion is not clear. So what he will do? He will ask to everyone. Like he will ask to Ram, Rakesh, he will ask to Arun, he will ask to Ajay, he will ask to the Venkatesh, he will ask to the so many people, right? So what we will do according to our experience? According to our experience, we will take or we will tell them to take admission or not, right? According to that only, he is getting some information or is getting some clarity, right? So what we are doing? This is nothing but is the Venkatesh is nothing but your training phase. That training phase, the training data is nothing but your suppose this is nothing but your college, right? Now in that college we are having a 5 branches. So 5 branches nothing but this is the base of learner. Base of learner means he has to take admission or not. So for that purpose he visited the number of people. He visited and made to the number of people and that number of people are saying you have to take admission there or not. You have to take admission or not. So his number of period, number of training data is asking. He is asking their confusion. He is asking here confusion that I am not getting clarity regarding that. So what should I have to do? So he is visiting to every people. But how he is visiting? He is visiting means he is going to the from one training phase. Means one people, everyone is data is transferring in a one place only. So what is getting? What is getting? Is getting lots of confusion. When you are using an algorithm, in that algorithm, suppose I want to do any task. Okay. So in that task, suppose I want to choose any algorithm. Any algorithm. In that algorithm. So what type of algorithm I will use for this data? How we have to check? Like suppose random forest, unstable data, or decision tree, or we can say class, supervised, unsupervised data. Like that type of data will be available. Okay. So in what is getting this is nothing but your training data and this is nothing but your algorithm. Okay. So in that algorithm, he has to take one algorithm to he can implement the data. Okay. So what he will do? He is visiting to every algorithm. Like this algorithm is best for me, or this algorithm is best for me, or this algorithm is best for me, or this algorithm is best for me. So what is doing in the training data is visiting to every node, or you can say that every base of learner is visiting that this data or this algorithm is best for me. Like suppose he is working on a random forest data. Okay. So in that random forest data, this is training data is will be the training random forest data. So for that purpose, what data will do, what algorithm will be best for me, he has to check. So what he will do, he will visit to the every node. He will visit to the every algorithm that gives algorithm suitable for the my random forest, or you can say the my for my training data, which algorithm will be suitable in that algorithm will be take. So what he will do, he is going to the everywhere. Like we said about the admission. Like admission nothing but this is nothing but any student will be there. He has to take the admission in a different colleges. You can say BTech, MSc, BSc and medical field. So what he will do, he will visit the every college or he asks so many people. Like he will ask to the medical student, he will ask to the BSc student, he will ask to the art student, he will ask to the BA student, BCom student. Everyone is asking his doubt. He is having this because he did not getting clarity to take admission. Like same also in this training data, he is not having clarity that which algorithm I have to choose for the my training data. Okay. In that thing